3, Business Caramel!
Business Caramel! 1, 2, 3, go! Business Caramel!
Yun na. Pabata-bata. Kita si Raisa. Raisa. Nagtagpo ni si Jane Tato. Jadi oi, terlalu udah pakai squeezing loh. May umbrella.
Nakasubo ang English natin ito. Hello, Rihanna. Good evening. Welcome to the Philippines.
Good evening to all.
Especially our students from NCC and SI would like to welcome you. Guys, let's welcome Rihanna. Okay. We have very short questions here for you. Yeah. We have here that you just had your concert last night. Is it right? Okay, how was it?
Datong ginagamit mo.
To my concert last night, I'm very glad and
Kasi di ko maangay. Wala ko ang inyong.
and my concert last night, very good.
Kasi papaputi di ba na?
Very successful and I'm very nervous, you know. I'm happy that I'm here in the
Ito question sa
Philippines.
iyo.
And that's all.
We understand that Rihanna is nervous raising you people, but okay, that's okay. Rihanna. Okay, we have here confused about your ex-trait that you've seen each other last year in NYC. How was it? Did you guys having a date?
Date? No,
Mr. Samuel D. Ano na, gusto rin, meron ka bang upcoming movies or may aabangan ba kami sa'yo?
Oh, thank you for asking that. I would like to take this opportunity to invite us everyone to watch out my next movie directed by Mr. Chito Ronyo. Direct, if you're watching ha!
I would like to take this opportunity again to invite everyone. I will have a concert in Toronto, Canada. And to all TXV subscribers out there, see you. I love you all. Maraming salamat, Casey Concepcion. All women out there, have a great hair day. Okay. Maraming salamat again, Casey Concepcion. Isa na naman kami, Sar. Vice Ganda! Hello, Vice Ganda! Maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito sa amin. Para
It's my pleasure to be here with Holy Ocean. Before anything else, I would like to thank all my supporters over there. And I would like to thank all my followers on Twitter and my Facebook and my Instagram. Thank you.
Okay, since nandito po kayo ngayon sa aming stage, sana po ay mapulakan niyo naman ang aking katanungan.
Yes.
Narito po, may mga isyong naglalabasan po na nasisira daw po or medyo may karamdaman kayo ngayon. At saka, kumusta naman po? Mamimili po ba talaga kayo sa Showtime?
Yes, yung after ng awarding ng OMG Award, nung dinakala ko bilang isang comedian of the year, that was Friday night. So, nagpa-check up ako sa doktor ko, tapos nakita sa digital stethoscope na merong lumiliit daw yung polyps ko dito. Kaya, hindi ako masyado nakapagsalita.
I'm sure masasahin niya ng mga fans mo kasi inaabangan niyo pa naman nila lagi. Pero, ano ba? Isa pang katanungan. Mula ng concert niyo po sa Araneta, kumusta naman po yung issue niyo tungkol kay Miss Jessica Soho?
Actually, bati na kami kasi nag-public apologize ako. Diba? Nagkaos naman kami at ngayon, nakita ko siya doon sa backstage. Tapos, nagbeso-beso kami kanina.
So, based po doon sa experience niyo tungkol dun sa pang-spook niyo kay Miss Jessica, ano po ang mahalagang mensahe o natutunan niyo po doon sa nangyari yun?
Okay, yung ginawa ko sa concert ko is isa lamang pagputawa. Ngunit, kailangan maging responsable tayo sa pagputawa dahil ito ay makasama sa maraming tao. At yun nga kay Jessica Soho, kaya maging responsable tayo sa ating pagsasalita.